Hey everybody, David Tyson here for Rourke Tech Services, and today we're going to look at Windows 10 Command Prompt and how you can use it. Now there are two ways you can open the command prompt. Well, there's a few ways, but we'll look at two options. You hit the Windows and X key, and you'll see you can open it as a normal user with C or an admin user with A. So we're going to hit A and open an admin session. We now have the command prompt window, and if you ever see hackers on TV or in the movies, this is usually what they're using. You have advanced settings to both control and check a computer's information in here. So we're going to look at ipconfig. As you can see, I just typed it in, and this will give you detailed network information. And the next code we're going to give is system info. So we'll just go ahead and type system info. And that'll bring up more detailed information about the computer itself. Now, both of these commands are great options for when you're trying to troubleshoot network connections, understand more about your computer if you're talking to IT support, what version of Windows 10 you're running, all these important things you should be knowing as you're troubleshooting issues on your computer. So the next command we're going to look at is a very useful one when you're having issues connecting to a website or a server in another network, and this is called the ping command. And you can type any website after, for example, google.com, and it'll start sending network packets to that server and getting bounce backs, and that'll let you know if you can connect. And you can use any website. We'll go ahead and do ours here, and we see that the connection to that website server is healthy. If it's not working, you'll see packets lost, you'll see requests timed out, it'll let you know. So another useful command is the check disk, so chkdsk. And what that will do is go ahead and check your computer disk for any issues. It'll scan the whole system, and if it finds any issues, it'll automatically correct them. So here we see no further action is required. If there was an issue, it would let you know, and it would give you a file log to download and review. So our next command is going to be SFC for System File Check. And if we type that in, we see we get a few different options. Basically, this check is going to go through your whole Windows file system and see if anything is wrong with any of the files, if they're corrupted, if they need to be fixed, and it'll do it automatically depending on the mode you selected. I only selected Verify Only because I just wanted to give you an example of what it looks like when you start running it. And it'll give you a progress bar there, give you a percentage of time that's going to take. And it's going to take a while depending on the speed of your system and the size of your disk. So I'm going to go ahead and end it there. Once again, this is David Tyson for Rourke Tech Services. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you return soon for more helpful information on getting started with Windows 10 and other useful tech tips. Take care.